10 healthy, low-carb grains for low-carb dieters. All low-carb foods, including low-carb grains, have become increasingly popular over recent decades due to the rise in low-carb diets. Salted caramel cheesecake bites. Traditionally, low-carb dieters avoid fruit, starch, and grain in efforts to minimize carbs as much as possible. However, you don't have to forego all carb-containing foods when following a low-carb diet. Grains, in particular, are a class of carbohydrate-rich foods that are worth including in your diet. Grains do contain carbohydrates, but they also hold valuable fiber that cancels out carbohydrate grams and leaves you with fewer digestible carbs or net carbs. For example, if a food contains 30 grams of carb and 5 grams of fiber, there are actually only 25 grams of digestible carbohydrate available in that food. Eating low-carb grains is a win-win. You keep carbs minimized while getting a good dose of fiber that serves many functions in the body, from digestive health to improving satiety. These 10 healthiest low-carb grains are worth keeping in your low-carb diet. All nutrition information is for half-cup cooked. 1 bulgur, 17 grams carb, 13 grams net carb. Bulgur cooked in yellow ceramic bowl. Bulgur makes the top of the list as the grain with the least amount of carb per serving. While a great option for those monitoring carbs, bulgur does contain wheat, so it is not ideal for those with wheat sensitivity, allergy, or celiac disease. Check out several gluten-free grains below. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. 2 oatmeal, 16 grams carb, 14 grams net carb. Plain oatmeal. A super versatile grain that can be enjoyed sweet, savory, blended, or as overnight oats. Try topping your oats with fruit, cinnamon, and nuts if you prefer sweet, or go savory with a soft-boiled egg and green onion to top your oatmeal. You can also blend oats into your favorite homemade smoothie or smoothie bowl. 3 wild rice, 18 grams carb, 16 grams net carb. Wild rice uncooked on spoon. With less carb than its counterparts white and brown rice, wild rice is also a better source of antioxidants and protein. Compared to other rice, wild rice tends to have a stronger flavor and more firm texture. 4 couscous, 18 grams carb, 17 grams net carb. Couscous cooked in white ceramic bowl. Another gluten-containing grain on our list, couscous contains selenium, an antioxidant that can protect your cells from damage. Selenium also plays a role in thyroid health, contributing to the proper functioning of this gland. 5 quinoa, 20 grams carb, 17 grams net carb. Cooked quinoa. At 4 grams of protein per half cup, quinoa is the most protein-dense grain on our list. Combine it with beans or lentils for additional plant protein, use it as a side dish, top a salad, or combine with banana and honey for a sweet meal or snack option. 6 barley, 23 grams carb, 20 grams net carb. Cooked barley in wooden bowl. While commonly associated with the production of beer, barley is a wheat product and contains gluten. Add barley to easy dinner recipes via your favorite soup for a fiber boost, or make a chilled salad by combining your favorite raw veggies, cheese and vinaigrette dressing with cooked barley. 7 millet, 21 grams carb, 20 grams net carb. Cooked millet. Another protein-packed grain providing 3 grams of protein per half cup, millet is also known for its magnesium content, which aids in bone health and muscle function. Additional nutrients in millet include iron and zinc. 8 brown rice, 25 grams carb, 23 grams net carb. Brown rice. If the rest of these grains are unfamiliar, you can fall back to trusty brown rice as your go-to low-carb grain. Cook up a large batch to meal prep for the week and season to complement your entree. Try combining with salsa for a taco bowl, mix with soy sauce for stir-fry, or use as a base for your favorite curry. 9. Spelt. Also sometimes referred to as hulled wheat or dinkel wheat, spelt is an ancient whole grain associated with a number of health benefits. Studies show that eating more whole grains, such as spelt, may be associated with a lower risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Although spelt contains mostly carbs, it does offer a good chunk of fiber in each serving. For instance, a 1 cup, 194 gram, serving of cooked spelt contains about 7.5 grams of fiber and 44 grams of net carbs. Spelt is also rich in niacin, magnesium, zinc, and manganese. 1 cup, 194 grams, of cooked spelt contains 44 grams of net carbs and 7.5 grams of fiber. Each serving is also high in niacin, magnesium, zinc, and manganese. 10. 8. Popcorn. Most people think of popcorn as little more than a snack food, but it is technically a whole grain. It's also one of the lowest carb grains available, with 6.5 grams of net carbs in each 1 cup, 14-gram, serving of popped popcorn. Plus, popcorn is low in calories and high in B vitamins, iron, magnesium, and phosphorus. However, be sure to opt for air-popped popcorn whenever possible to maximize the nutritional value of this healthy grain. This is because many prepared varieties are high in unhealthy fats, added sugar, and artificial flavorings, which can negate any potential health benefits. Each cup, 14 grams, of popped popcorn contains 6.5 grams of net carbs. Popcorn is also low in calories and high in B vitamins, iron, magnesium, and phosphorus.